Right, so let's start with this first tab. Let's start lead generation. Let's look at lead sources. So this is where we're getting leads to sign up, whether it's for a form. We could create a form on a website, create a form within Zoho Forms and tag it. I go back. Events. If you've got an event set up in Zoho Backstage or integrate with Eventbrite and Zoho Backstage, both really cool platforms. So if you've got some sort of conference or you've got some sort of just an event or anything like that where you want people to attend something, we're gonna integrate with people that are signing up for those events. I'll go back, but it's going to webinars. Webinars, obviously, a lot of people are doing webinars now. If you use Zoho GoToWebinar, and I'm sure they'll be integrating with Zoho Showtime and probably Zoho Meeting eventually. But obviously, if you do some sort of online training or online sales and you want people to sign up for webinars, we're going to integrate those leads. On-spot form is used on to collect leads at events and trade. This is so if you're at a trade show, you can have a form that you're going to be able to put out and get people to fill it in for you, or at that event. So it's like a on-the-spot form. So if you're in front of people, you're going to be able to get them to straight out enter the lead in there. And obviously you can add leads direct, right? So this lead generation is all about where you're getting your leads, how you're getting them to sign up, and how you're getting them in your system, right?